Hi, welcome to Combilift Global headquarters. I'd like to take you on a brief tour to show you all the procedures that we have in place. Let's go. Due to COVID-19 health crisis, Combilift are taking all necessary precautions to ensure the health and well-being of our 650 colleagues on site. We are currently operating a two-shift operation with 50% of our personnel on site during each shift. This allows us to ensure social distancing without reducing production capabilities. At Combilift, we pride ourselves on producing innovative products to improve safety, increase storage and reduce overall costs of your material handling. I would like to start our tour in our warehouse design department, which we offer free of charge to our customers. The Aisle Master is one example of our wide range and will be the main focus of this tour. Most of our customers do not contact Combilift for a forklift. They engage with us to maximise their storage needs. Our Aisle Master range has the ability to significantly reduce your operating aisle when storing pallets, allowing for increase in storage density. We will now take you to our engineering department to highlight our ability to customise to your needs.
Hello, my name is Shane. I'm the engineer for the Aisle Master range. So the package we use here is a 3D modelling package called SolidWorks. So we can sketch up all the individual components for the truck, like this drawbar for the Aisle Master. You can see here the individual component. Then we'll display ourselves a drawing for the finished product with all our details. This all then can be assembled together to make up the Aisle Master chassis. You'll see here the drawbar component is assembled in. We then use this to model up the finished truck. And this can be used to check for any interferences with how the truck is going to be operated or how the truck will be built. So you can see here our mass carriers with to rotate as the articulation works on the truck.
We will now enter our fabrication area. All our raw material is delivered to our steel yard at the rear of the building. It is then brought to our machining area. You can see the Aisle Master drawbar engineered by Shane has now been profiled. This will then go to our prefab shot blaster to clean the steel before weld. After prefab clean, the piece will then be delivered to one of our welders.
Hi, I'm Marty Hughes. I joined the company as the first welder back in 1998. I'm now joined by 70 other colleagues in the welding bay. We now fabricate over 600 tonnes of steel per week. The joys of coming to work in Combilift is that no 2 days are the same due to the customisation of the truck.
After weld, the completed chassis will be delivered to our pre-paint shot blaster to ensure steel is completely clean before paint.
Hi, my name is Peter Boyle. I am the Lean and Quality Manager here in Combilift. You're now at the first phase of the paint process, which is the shot blaster. Combilift very much strives to be an environmentally responsible manufacturer. To this extent, we are now 100% water-based. The Combilift quality is very much at the heart of every Combilift employee.
After paint, the Combilift PPT will deliver the chassis to one of our dedicated lines for assembly.
Welcome to Line 1. My name is Peter O'Reilly and I'm the line manager on this all-electric line which produces 5 different model types. A major advantage we have here is the commonality of parts across models on this line, meaning many of the assembly and programming processes are very similar or the same.
At the end of assembly process, the unit will be taken by one of our test team for full inspection and test. From test, the unit will pass to our pre-delivery inspection and dispatch area. At this point, I feel it's important to highlight a few key areas within our business. We understand that after-sales support is paramount to your business. I would like to introduce you to our spare parts manager, Kenny Gilmore.
Hello, my name is Kenny Gilmore. Welcome to the Global Parts Department for Combilift. We are supporting 50,000 machines with components globally. We also have a distribution centre based in Greensboro, North Carolina, which we use to service our North American market.
Another key area within our production is our stores. Our production lines could not function without this operation. Our stores are perfectly located close to our production lines. With lift heights of 12.1 metres or 39 feet and operating aisles of 2.1 metres or 82 inches. Another section of our building is our straddle carrier department, which supports our customers with heavy and challenging loads. I would like to end our tour with our Skywalk, which gives you a view of some of our other core products and production lines. Thank you for taking time to join us on our factory tour. We are proud to be operating in 85 countries around the world.